Okay guys, so now I'm gonna black out this side of the rims, and I'm gonna put on the jack so I can remove the wheel and paint the brake calipers at the same time. So let me do that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start cleaning the caliper, and I'm gonna spray it just so I could continue doing the rim while this thing dries. Okay guys, so basically this is decal vinyl. You can get it anywhere at online, eBay, whatever. So doesn't have to be exact, just cut them up enough so that you cover each spoke. And basically this is the same as installing a decal, a vinyl decal. It's not gonna be perfect, but it'll do the job. Just press on the edges and run the blade on the very edge. It'll do everything. Same on this side. All these little edges, just fold them down. And it's like a big sticker. It's just exactly the same as a sticker, a window sticker. So, like I said, it's not perfect, but it's something that'll be as long as I want it there, and whenever I want to switch it back to how it was, I'll just start peeling the sticker off, get the glue off with something that'll glue remover, and should be set back to how the wheels were originally. Some of you mentioned about the lip, about leaving it chrome, but the lip, you know, it's originally black, so there's nothing I could do much about it. And even though it was chrome, if it was chrome, I will still black them out, because that's what I'm trying to do. I just want to black the whole car out. And at the same time, and while I'm doing this, brake calipers are. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Okay, there it is. This thing is drying. I'm using this acrylic enamel for that. I think it's too bright, but I don't know. I can't really tell. It's getting dark again, like always. But I'm gonna do them all, no problem. But if I don't like them, I'll just remove the wheels and paint them a different color. I was gonna go yellow on the brake calipers, but I don't know why I end up buying this red one. But that's an easy fix in case I don't like it. So let me get back to to the wheels. That's it, guys. That's it. There it is. And since the vinyl is pretty glossy, it gives it a nice finish. So there it is. Let me install it back on the car and go to the next one. Okay guys, as you can see, it's dark. You guys can't see anything, but I'm still working. See the front one. I'm gonna do the vinyl on the vinyl on the wheels now, and after I'm done with that, I'm gonna call it a day. So waiting for that to dry. I'm hitting it with the heat gun every now and then just to help it dry faster, but getting there. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so finally got the last rim. I'm pretty sure this thing is completely dry now. So I'm gonna put the rim back on. It's not as glossy as I want it to be, but it's okay. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna lower the jack down. Later on I'll just make some decals and put some decals on it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna call it a day. Can't really see anything now, so it's useless for me to continue recording. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.